Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. So today is a cleaning motivation. I am going to clean the family room and make it tidy. It's not that bad, but it needs a little cleaning. We always need to tidy things up. So stay tuned and I hope I give you motivation to clean your home.
I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. When the negativity with jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
So I'm going to change these blankets and bring the other one out. So I put a basket in there. If you go to B&M or wherever, you can get a nice basket. You just put it down and put all your throws and blankets in it. Whilst sometimes so you can change and give the room a nice little fresh freshness. So, okay. So I'm just going to use Febreze to just get these tapes. Nice fresh smell. So put these ones here and I'll put them away in a minute while I'm getting the tables done.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. I'm your dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good.
Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for another video. This is a quick cleanup video. I'm going to show you how it looks now. Very nice, tidy and fresh. If you want to light up your candles, you can go ahead and do so like I am going to do mine. It's not seen, but I intend to turn the candles off when Jaden comes home because you know, you don't want him to touch it and cause any problems. So yeah, God bless you all and stay tuned for another video.